What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your entire dropshipping e-commerce store using HighLevel and Printful in just 5 easy steps. Let's jump inside today's video. Step number 1, you're going to log into HighLevel. You're going to go to sites. You're going to go to websites. Now, you can't do this on funnels. It has to be on websites only. You're going to make a website. You're going to make this your e-com store or whatever you want to call it. Hit create. And now you're going to see you want to add your first page here. This is going to be what I call your home page. This is going to be your website. This isn't your actual store itself. This is the website you think that attaches to your store. Think of it sort of that way. So you're going to create this page. So then step number 1 was to create the website. And step number 2 is to create the store. So you're going to go create from blank or existing, whichever you want. You're going to then come over here to elements. You're going to see now that this is only available in the website builder. It's not available in the funnel builder. You'll go to store. You'll hit add to site. And now HighLevel makes your store. That's step number 2. All right, the store is done. Next thing we're going to do is jump into Printful. We're going to set up this account. I'm going to use the account that I've never signed up before. Let's go with Funnel Doc, my Funnel Doc AI account. Hit continue. Boom, 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 agree. All right, store is open. So the next thing you're going to want to do is the step number 3, you're going to download the app. You're going to go down here to App Marketplace. You're going to click the App Marketplace. You're going to see Printful is right here. If you can't find it, type Printful in the search bar and it'll pop up. You'll see it's right here. It's free. You're going to click install. You're going to scroll down right here. You're going to hit allow and install. You're then going to pick which one you want here. If you already have a store, it would be able to see it right there. We're going to create a new store. You're going to hit authorize. Because Printful is already open, it connects. Next thing you're going to do is your 4th thing. You're going to add your product. So we're just going to say we'll use this hat right here. Do this real quick. We'll add our design. We'll understand this. Upload a file. Let's get this, let's add this one right here. A friend of mine, we're using that one earlier. We'll add this. Cool, it's now on the hat. We'll just save that. Now, it can be anything. I'm going to have a whole nother class. If you'd like to jump into this on Thursday, the 23rd, I'm going to be giving you a full rundown on how to create your products, how to build out your store, how to customize everything. This is just your quick 5-step guide, how to, in just 5 easy steps to have your whole store up and running. If you want more information, look down in the description below. If it's after that date, you'll be able to get the replay by signing up with the link below. Next thing, you've got your mock-ups where you can create your basic. We'll just join basic real quick. We're going to say that's fine. We're going to hit continue. We're going to say this is my hat. Just name it real quick. You'll see now that this, because it's connected to the app, is going to instantly update inside of HighLevel now. So that's been added. You can see now it's been added to the store. You'll see that it's been added here and has been added to the store automatically. That's the cool thing. If you do it the way I show you and add product second, it will automatically update everything to HighLevel. All you have to do now is come in here and turn this button on to add it to your store, and then you're ready to go. You add your final step, which is the last thing we're going to do is you're going to come right here to settings. You're then going to go right here to integrations. And you're going to integrate Stripe. You're going to hit right here, click. That could also be found under integrations under payment. You can add Stripe, PayPal, and authorize.net or NMI. You'll just open up your Stripe. You can go ahead and hit manage. You can add that, connect, boom, boom, boom. It's all set, good to go. It's a couple buttons with lead connector, and now your store is live. All you have to do is come right here and then add your product. So if you come right here and add your products, click right here, add product, select one of it, my hat, select the price, name, etc., save it in there. And now if you go to your store, you'll see your actual store is live and you're able to actually technically buy this product right now. There's your hat. I can come right here, add it to the cart, view cart. And here's the cool thing. You can even now, they have buy now, pay later options. So automatically built in. So if you come now, you'll see my payments is you have Afterpay and Klarna as well. as well as you can use Google Pay. So there you go. In just 5 easy steps, now your e-com dropshipping store is ready to go. If you'd like to see all the details on how to build out your products, how to find your products, how to pick out your niche, how to customize your store, everything you need to know to create your entire e-commerce dropshipping empire using HighLevel and Printful, watch me on our Thursday at noon Pacific. It's going to be on the 23rd. If it's after that date, you'll be able to get a replay from the link below. If not, sign up to enroll, and I'll see you during the training. Peace. Funnel Doc out.